Snapchat is a great platform for sending photos and videos that disappear after being viewed, but it's also a messaging app that's perfect for communicating with your friends. Of course, sometimes disappearing messages can be more of a hindrance to communicating than a feature. Let's take a deep dive into saving messages on Snapchat to make your chatting just a bit simpler. Normally, when you first start using Snapchat, your messages work the same way every time. When you send a message to someone on Snapchat, you'll be able to view that message until you close the chat. Once you close the chat, the message is gone. Likewise, when the person you sent it to views it, they'll also lose access to the message once that thread is closed. This can create some issues if you're looking to have a conversation. Depending on the length between replies, you might forget what someone is replying to. You might also accidentally close the chat before reading the message, losing access to view what your friend sent and forcing them to rewrite a message. That's where saved messages come in. To save a message, just tap anywhere on the text of either person's messages. This will highlight the text in gray for both users, and the text won't delete when you leave the chat. To unsave a message, just click it again and the gray highlight will go away. Seems easy enough, but it's still annoying to save every single message in a Snapchat thread. That's why Snapchat gives you the option to change your chat settings within each conversation. Tap on the Bitmoji of the person you're speaking with, then select Delete Chats from the list of options. Select 24 hours after viewing, and messages will be saved for a full day before being erased from your history. Plus, you can still save independent messages to last even longer. The other person will be alerted you edited the chat settings, and either person can change it on their end. Finally, if you want to erase all saved messages from a conversation, head back to those same chat settings from before and select Clear Conversation History. Any saved gray messages will be erased from Snapchat entirely. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to check out these other videos you might like and subscribe to Tech Junkie for all sorts of tech news, reviews, and top picks every week.